Keto BodyTone Review. Revolutionary breakthrough. Why does it have scientists, doctors and celebrities buzzing? The most talked about weight loss product is finally here. A powerful fat-burning ketone, BHB, has been modified to produce an instant fat-burning solution the natural way. Beta-hydroxybutyrate is the first substrate that kicks the metabolic state of ketosis into action. If you take it, BHB is able to start processing in your body, resulting in energy, and greatly speed up weight loss by putting your body into ketosis. This one BHB supplement is a revolutionary breakthrough that has the media in a frenzy. How does it work? Ketosis forces your body to burn fat for energy instead of carbs. What do you get? The 30-day ketosis supplement that is sweeping the nation. Keto BodyTone Advanced Energy Ketones. Puts your body in ketosis. Keto BodyTone contains beta-hydroxybutyrate. BHB is the first substrate that kicks the metabolic state of ketosis into action. Beta-hydroxybutyrate floats around in your blood, and importantly, can cross different important barriers to be able to be turned into energy at all times. One of the most important areas where this happens is in the brain. Get slim, healthy, and confident again with our unique Keto BodyTone supplement. Ideal for both men and women, Keto BodyTone is a dynamic and powerful ketosis dietary supplement that will assist weight loss, promote abdominal fat burn, and support better digestion and sleep. Lose weight. Burn fat in trouble areas. Get into ketosis fast. Burn fat for energy without the jitters. Better brain health. Faster recovery from exercise. Maintain lean muscle. 30-day, 90 and 150-day kits available. How to use Keto BodyTone. Keto BodyTone is a one-of-a-kind ketosis product designed to help you lose weight and feel amazing. Keto BodyTone is a supplement that allows the body